Hello and welcome to another Blitz at Web training video. In this video, we're looking at the sales tool, how to create new customer orders, process orders for customers, and you can view invoices and standing orders and deliveries and things like that. Firstly, go to the website at www.blitzatweb.com.au, and we're going to be using the training tool. You don't need to sign in or register for anything for that. Just push the little graduation hat at the top, and we go to sales. So it just creates some demo data that we can use. Let's pin the sidebar menu. So we can, as you can see, if we select orders, we can see all our existing customer orders, standing orders, invoices, consignments, and movements. There are some keyboard shortcuts that will make it easier for you to open these things. If you hold Shift and push 1, it opens up customer orders, and then number 2 is standing orders. Holding Shift and push 3, you can open invoices. 4 is consignments, and 5 is movements. Also, another keyboard shortcut is if you hold Alt and press 1, it's basically saying create new customer order, and if you hold Alt and press 2, it's saying create a new standing order. Also, if you push the tilde button, which is the button to the left of the number 1, you can actually select the customer, which then you can see the customer here is selected, which then filters all orders to only show this customer. So let's, using the tilde button, we select Deep Creek Company, and it shows us Deep Creek Company's orders. If we hold Shift and push 2, which is opening standing orders, it shows us any standing orders for that selected customer, or we could see the invoices, any consignments, and any movements that are happening or due to happen. Now we can deselect the customer, and in which case we can select another customer or click it and select different customers. Now we can also add a new customer order just by pushing the new button here. We've got Timmy and Treacle Treats selected, so it automatically knows which customer it's creating an order for. You can select the delivery date for this order, destination. There's only one option. We can add some line items and create and refresh the page, and we see we've got a new order for Timmy and Treacle Treats. So that's the basics of how to use the sales tool. Actually, if you select things, you can do things like if you select it, it opens up the consignment or the movement here. It opens up the delivery, and you can release and do things like that for this customer. It's really a lot easier to use because you've got keyboard shortcuts. Just by pushing the tilde button, you can actually select customers and quickly search for different customers, things like that. And you can use keyboard shortcuts. It makes it a lot quicker. Hopefully that will help process orders a lot more efficiently.